Assalamu alaikum viewers. Once again before you, this is Saidul Islam, assistant teacher English Pir Kashimpur RN High School Muradnagar, Kumilla. I am here another class in class 6 in English. Today's my topics again sentences. At the last class, I was discussing about these topics. I have discussed the basic conception of sentence. What is sentence? How many kinds of sentence? And according to meaning, I was discussed in my previous class. According to meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentence. From them I have already discussed 2 types of sentence. The rest of today's my topics. It's okay, viewers. Let's see on the whiteboard. I have written the first definition of imperative sentence for your better understanding. It's okay. Let's read out the definition of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. The sentence shall express a command and an entity is called imperative sentence. That means in an imperative sentence you can command, you can suggest, you can advise, like that. For example, read the sentence, read attentively. If you want to tell anything or any person, read attentively. This sense is like advice. So it called a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, the structure of imperative sentence, normally imperative sentence start with verb. Start with verb. Then extension or object. Then extension or object. In affirmative sentence, all the imperative sentences start with verb. If the subject is second person, in this subject is you is silent. If you try to write the negative sense like that, don't copy others' assignment. You know that now your priority is on assignment. The Honorable Ministry of Education, they provide assignment, so careful, don't copy others' assignment. You just try to write your own expressions. That is proved your talenty. For this reason, I advise you that don't copy others' assignment. It's a imperative sentence. This sentence start with negative contraction don't. Next one, you can start with let also. If the assertive sentence subject is not second person, then you will start it let, then objective form of that subject. Read out the sentence, let us gossip about our assignment. Dear viewers, let, for this reason, the subject is not second person. If the subject is second person, you just write from base form of verb, then rest of the part of the sentence. If the sentence subject is others person, you just give at first let, then objective from, then verb, then extension. These are the imperative sentence. I hope you can understand by watching this class. Imperative sentence. After imperative sentence, I want to go another sentence like that, operative sentence. First one, read out the definition of operative sentence. The sentence that express a wish or a desire is called an operative sentence. That means by this sentence anyone pray others person like that, may Allah bless you, may Allah bless you, or may Allah help you to make assignment, or may you long live, may you long live. Dear viewers, look at the both sentences. Both sentences normally start with may. That means operative sentence normally start with may, then subject from, then base form of verb, then extension. So you can easily make a operative sentence, or you can easily identify a operative sentence. Last one, imperative sentence. First one, give the definition. The sentence that express a viewers, look at, this is the last of the classification of sentence, exclamatory sentence. First one, read out the definition of sentence, exclamatory sentence. The sentence that expresses a certain feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. That means by that sentence serving the certain feeling is called exclamatory sentence or emotional feeling. It is called exclamatory sentence. The structure of exclamatory sentence. First one, we should remember it. Exclamatory sentence start with what or how. When you start what by the what or how. When you find in assertive sentence, indefinite article a or n, then you can start what by the what, like that. What a beautiful girl it or she is. She is. On the other hand, another example, how beautiful girl she is. Both sentences same. There is difference only one letter, a. In this sentence there is existent a. For this reason I start with what. But in the second sentence there is no article. For this reason I start with how. And both sentences expresses certain feelings or emotions. So we can write as a structure of exclamatory sentence WH or who or what. WH plus adjective plus noun or pronoun. Then subjective from, then at last finally verb. At the last of the sentence end with note of exclamations. Dear viewers, I hope by this class you will realize about, or you will gather the conception of classification of sentence, and according to the meaning there are 5 kinds of sentence. All the sentences you have understood by this class. Thank you everybody.